Good day, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to another episode of Kanga Crypto News, where we bring you the latest and most impactful developments in the cryptocurrency world. I'm your host, and today we've got a lineup of significant stories. As usual, later in this material, I will present the rules of the competition in which you can win some KNG tokens, and I will also announce the winner of last week's round, if there is one. Before we begin, remember that all information from Kanga Crypto News is gathered by experienced Kanga analysts based on reliable sources. Also, keep in mind that this is not an investment advice. Kanga Crypto News episodes are released every week on Friday, so if you want to stay up to date with the most important information from the crypto world, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss any important news. Our first story takes us to the global crypto market, which recently experienced a notable downturn. The total market capitalization tumbled by approximately 6%, a reaction attributed to escalating economic uncertainties stemming from President Donald Trump's recent trade policies. These policies have heightened tensions with major US trading partners, including Canada, Mexico, and China, leading to a wave of sell-offs across various markets. This incident underscores the sensitivity of the crypto market to geopolitical events and the importance of staying informed about global economic policies. Shifting gears, Bitcoin showcased its resilience amidst easing US trade tensions and a significant geopolitical development, a ceasefire agreement in Ukraine. The cryptocurrency surged by 5.75%, reflecting its potential as a hedge against traditional market fluctuations. This surge highlights Bitcoin's responsiveness to global political climates and its role as potential safe haven asset during times of geopolitical instability. In regulatory news, the US House of Representatives has followed the Senate in passing a resolution to repeal the IRS's proposed rule that would have required decentralized finance (DeFi) platforms to report user transactions. This bipartisan move is seen as a victory for privacy advocates and the DeFi community, as it removes potential barrier to innovation within the decentralized finance sector. It emphasizes the ongoing debate between regulatory oversight and the preservation of user privacy in the evolving crypto landscape. Turning to the broader financial markets, investors are exhibiting caution as JPMorgan raises the probability of a US recession to 40%. This heightened risk aversion has led to sell-off in risk assets, including cryptocurrencies. The S&P 500, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones Industrial Average all experienced significant declines, reflecting the interconnectedness of global financial markets and the impact of economic forecasts on investor behavior. On the corporate front, Michael Saylor's company, Strategy, is making headlines with its bold plan to raise up to $21 billion to acquire more Bitcoin. Currently holding approximately 499,000 BTC, Strategy's aggressive accumulation strategy underscores a strong institutional belief in Bitcoin's long-term value proposition. This move could signal increased institutional adoption and confidence in the cryptocurrency market. In developments concerning past crypto events, the decommissioned exchange Mt. Gox has moved approximately $930 million worth of Bitcoin as a payout deadline looms. While its link to Mt. Gox still holds about $2.9 billion in assets, which are due to be paid out to creditors by October 31st. This movement has reignited discussions about the potential impact of releasing such a significant amount of Bitcoin into the market and its possible effects on Bitcoin's price stability. Regulatory updates continue as the US Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has postponed approval decisions for several cryptocurrency exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. This delay affects ETFs linked to altcoins such as XRP, Litecoin, Solana, and Dogecoin. While the postponement may be seen as a setback, analysts remain optimistic about the eventual approval of crypto ETFs, which could pave the way for broader institutional investment and market maturation. Lastly, in a demonstration of strategic investment, Japan's Metaplanet has capitalized on the recent Bitcoin price dip by purchasing an additional 162 Bitcoins valued at approximately $13.5 million. This acquisition brings Metaplanet total Bitcoin holdings to 10,645 Bitcoins, reflecting a 53.2% yield in 2025. Such moves by institutional investors highlight the growing acceptance of Bitcoin as a valuable asset class and a hedge against traditional market volatility. But what do you think about the current situation in the crypto market? Which news is the most important in your opinion, and what could it mean? Let us know in the comments below. That's all for the Kanga Crypto news today, but one more important thing, information about the competition. Unfortunately, again, we do not have a winner of our competition. The winner of the next episode will get a nice accumulation of KNG tokens. Therefore, be sure to take part in the competition. But what are the rules? Propose a value that Ethereum to USDT might reach on our exchange at 9 AM Central European Time on the day of the next Kanga Crypto news episode. You can find the market link in the description below. Submit your guesses in the format, like this, hashtag Kanga Crypto News, episode number, the next episode number, $, and your proposed value. To win, your proposed value must be the closest to the actual, but you cannot miss by more than $10 in either direction. Increase your chances of winning more KNG. How? Post a second additional comment under the video that is unrelated to the contest. You want to increase your chances of winning more KNG? Here's how. Post a second additional comment under the video that is unrelated to the contest. You can write anything you want, like comment on what news is the most important to you. By doing so, your margin of error increases to 20 USDT instead of 10 USDT. Every week, the winner will receive a prize in KNG tokens, the number of which will reflect 10% of the likes on the last KCN episode. For detailed information, check the description below. That wraps up today's episode of Kanga Crypto News. As you can see, the cryptocurrency landscape is continually evolving, influenced by geopolitical events, regulatory developments, and institutional strategies. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay informed. Until next time.
We are Kanga, beyond crypto.